Welcome to BidMagic Proposal and Project Management Software. If your company is in the business of selling and installing systems for audio-video, security, lighting, digital signage, control systems, telephone or IT systems, or any type of electronic systems, you've just found the perfect solution for your company. BidMagic was created by integrators for integrators. Not only is BidMagic the perfect solution to create beautiful professional proposals, it also includes contact management built right in. You can create service tickets in BidMagic, purchase orders, project management tools, mobile features. Put these all together and BidMagic gives you a complete workflow solution for your company. BidMagic was designed from the ground up for busy salespeople. With BidMagic, you can create a $100,000 proposal in just 10 minutes, an extremely professional and highly accurate proposal. It's fast and easy to learn and implement. With BidMagic, you'll have more sales with less hassle. Let's take a look at the sales contact management system. This includes the target budget, the expected close date, the probability to close, and all your follow-up notes. BidMagic takes it to the next level because you can automatically schedule callbacks in Outlook on your calendar or email clients directly from Outlook. Our sales pipeline graphs show the results from each salesperson. How many proposals have they written? What are the probabilities to close? And graphs the expectations versus the actual performance. BidMagic delivers beautiful professional proposals, resulting in more sales. When you deliver a professional proposal to your client, your sales will go up. Every job starts with a winning proposal. BidMagic will help you win the job and then manage the entire project. As soon as you start creating proposals in BidMagic, you'll discover that BidMagic is a powerful system to manage your products, prices, and your labor. You can't do this in Excel. You can't do this in accounting software. You can include the specific labor hours needed for each type of labor associated with this product. BidMagic makes it easy to build whole packages that can be added to your bids quickly and easily. Once you started creating proposals, they're all found in our shared job folders, making it easy for everyone in your organization to take a look at the documents you've created. The job folder can also work with Dropbox so that those outside of your organization can see key documents as needed. BidMagic gives you detailed profit reports so that you can track results like never before and increase the accuracy of your proposals. And BidMagic lets you easily send proposals to QuickBooks as estimates, invoices, and create purchase orders. We have a great two-way sync with QuickBooks that'll eliminate double entry. The dashboard shows you the progress of all bids, jobs, service tickets in the system, and lets your whole team have visibility to what the next steps are. BidMagic has a robust project manager. You can easily create purchase orders to order your products, track installation progress, track serial numbers, warranty expiration dates, and more in our project manager. BidMagic comes in 3 flavors. Our standard version includes all of the core features. The Pro version adds multi-user control, where administrators can dole out permission to view bids, edit them, delete them, create products, create purchase orders, and more. The Enterprise version is designed for large companies who not only need these features, but also want management reports, the ability to have multiple locations, departments, track inventories, and this includes job status tracking with automatic email notifications. Whatever your current needs are, BidMagic is the solution to help grow your business and take it to the next level. We also have an optional project calendar system that includes advanced features for scheduling, dispatching, and tracking. This includes group calendars and Gantt charts and automatically sends work orders out to the field to installation and service techs, where your field techs will see in their native calendar the appointments that you've made for them. They'll be able to clock in and out of the job, see the job details. These mobile work orders make it easy for you to track. Mobile service tickets make it easy to put things on the calendar and set up service appointments. Your field techs clock in and out of the job. And all of that data is sent to time cards inside of BidMagic that can be used for payroll, and also give you great reports about the results of each job. In our Pro BidMagic is a complete workflow solution, all contained in a single software that will integrate your company's workflow in a way you've never dreamed possible. Our software also includes 4 online product search tools, making it easy to pull down millions of products from the internet to be added to your proposals. BidMagic is the ultimate workflow solution for your company. Try it today with our 60-day money-back guarantee. We guarantee once you start writing bids with BidMagic, you'll never want to go back to creating bids any other way. Thank you.